Ever wondered how crucial water conservation is and how it impacts our environment? By preserving water, we're not just saving a precious resource, but also protecting our ecosystems, reducing energy usage, and even mitigating the effects of climate change. Now that we understand its importance, let's delve into the top 5 watering techniques that help conserve water. Number 1 on the list is the drip irrigation method. This technique is a water conservative's dream. It delivers water directly to the root zone of your plants, minimizing evaporation and runoff. It's highly efficient, and your plants will thank you for it. Next up, we have soaker hoses. These are perfect for rows of plants or large garden beds. The water seeps out of the hose directly into the soil, reducing water waste and ensuring your plants get a good deep soak. It's like a spa day for your green friends. The third technique is a classic, rainwater harvesting. This method is as old as time, yet still effective. By collecting rainwater in barrels or tanks, you can repurpose this natural resource for your garden. It's free, it's eco-friendly, and it's a fantastic way to reduce your water footprint. Moving on to number 4, we have gray water recycling. This involves using household wastewater from sinks, showers, and washing machines to irrigate your garden. It's a bit more technical, but the savings on your water bill and the benefits for the environment are well worth the effort. Finally, we have timing and amp quantity control. This simply means watering your plants when they need it, not on a rigid schedule, and only giving them the amount they require. Overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering, so keep a close eye on your plant's needs. Remember, every drop of water saved makes a huge difference, and employing these watering techniques is a great way to start. Now that you're equipped with these water-saving techniques, it's time to put them into practice. By adopting these methods, you'll make a tangible impact on our precious environment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Let's conserve water together.